amazing because you deserve nothing less. You deserve to feel great. You deserve to feel good. Just amazing in general. Okay, 2 things. I look like a rat. It's really hot. Just ignore that. We're just gonna chop that part off, okay? It's like it never even happened. But I don't want to say I'm sick, but I sound sick. My throat, like back there, it's just getting smaller and smaller. Anyways, guys, guess what? Today, on this day that you are seeing this, if you're seeing it on Thursday, the day I put it out, it is, you know what? Let me refresh. So let's start over. Don't look at that. Start over. Wait, actually, this. I also had to clarify that this is a thing. Anyways, start over. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the channel. Cause today it's turning 2. Stop, that was actually kind of cool. It's 2 years old. I've been doing this for 2 years, and honestly, it feels so weird. Like, I don't really believe that I've been doing this for 2 years. I'm kind of confused. It kind of feels like I started, but at the same time, it feels like I started like 5 years ago. The growth, you know, that's the problem here. Anyways, it's been 2 years. It is the channel's birthday today. Tomorrow, which would be Friday, is the day I actually put out my first video, which, in case you don't know what that first video was, dude, we're just gonna make this like a yearly thing. Every birthday, this is what we're gonna have. Wow, I just realized I can actually do 2 things. This, because I have lit my nails on, and this, or because I don't have any nails on, so I can be like this, or it's actually kind of cool. Didn't even think about that. This is a wired one, so it has that in the middle. Not even in the middle. I feel so weird with the headphones because I don't know if that's like too loud or annoying. I did have both of them on, but the black ones just fell off, so, which I'm gonna try to put them back on, okay? Because they're like press-ons or whatever that's called, but like I do them myself, you know? Just with nail polish. Nothing too special. I don't even know why I'm talking about this. I have to use my fingers so that the nails don't touch it. You know what I just realized? I'm thinking of the last video, that, like the last year's anniversary video, or birthday video, and I was wearing brown. And in case you can't tell, I'm wearing a brown shirt. Oh, it says kindness over everything. Because that's the way it should be. You should be kind to everyone. Because everyone deserves someone that's just kind to them. Everyone deserves love and affection. It's the channel's anniversary. I've been doing this for 2 years. I'm just really happy with literally the outcome of this all. Like, I did not expect. There's 400 of you. 400. I'm gonna cry. Stop. No tears today, okay? I'm also feeling goofy. I literally just came home from a bike ride. We went to go get some groceries. And then I found my dad there. emoji goes, but it's something like this. Your fingers look something like that. It's kind of funny. No, your pinky's not in it, so it's like this. Something like that. Then we have D. Why am I teaching you guys chords of guitars? I'm not even teaching. I'm just like trying to see if I remember them. Which I can. I do own a guitar. Guys, I own a guitar. I'm feeling really chatty right now, so we're just gonna like, I apologize if this is not what you wanted, but I'm feeling real chatty. I have a guitar. My uncle gave it to me. But before that, my other uncle had a beautiful, absolutely stunning blue guitar. There was like 3 different blues on it. There was like a pajarito on it, a bird on it. I don't even think you understand just how gorgeous it was. So pretty. That Oompa Loompa decided to give it to someone else. I don't even want to talk about it. I'm still angry to this day. But anyways, then my other uncle, we were like helping them move. They lived next door to us now. Before my grandma used to live, we're here. Then there's another floor. Then there's a top floor. They used to live there. And we would live here. There was just one in between. Now they live beside us. Literally. I'm not joking. If I knock on that wall over there, I'd be knocking at their living room. Me just going just to see what's happening. This is actually the first keyboard I used. This is the keyboard I used on my first ever ASMR video on this channel. And it is, yeah, this one right here. Been with me for a very long time. You wanna know my favorite part of a keyboard ASMR? I mainly just like that part, just the it's just so good for no reason. I also like that ASMR keyboards. Like just one. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna move on to its first birthday keyboard. We got keyboards on keyboards on keyboards, my dudes. So this is the keyboard we used on the channel's first birthday. It does not work, but I have it for ASMR purposes, obviously. Yeah, that's it. I'm so happy one hand doesn't have nails on. Yeah, let's go. Wait. I'm not sure how to feel about that one. What was it in there? This one sounds cool. I haven't used these keyboards in a long time, so except for the ones I showed you, I haven't used those keyboards in a long time. soon as I saw the guitar, I was like, when did you get that? And how come you never showed me? He straight up went, it's broken. It is broken. It's missing one string. Which, I mean, you could probably get fixed somewhere, right? It might cost a lot. I feel like it would cost a lot. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that guitar is so cute. Because it's cute. It's like, ooh, I'm really hungry, so if you can hear my stomach, I am so sorry. I think I was telling you the color of it. I don't remember, but that thing is really cute. And the color is like red, I think. So like we went from a full blue one to like a, I think it's like a brownish reddish. I would love to show you, but that means I have to go all the way over there, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't really have that much time, mainly because I'm starving and my mother's coming home soon, and I don't like filming when she's home because I'm forcing her to be quiet, and it's like so here we are just chilling. Should we move on to a different keyboard? I don't know how long we were with this one. That was the 2-year anniversary. No, that was the 1-year anniversary keyboard. Now, since it's the channel's birthday today, we should celebrate with another keyboard. Listen, don't even ask. The first keyboard, I had it because I had it, okay? And then I had a wire. Then as I like put a TV in my room, was there always a TV in my room? I'm not sure. But then as I started using my laptop, after I broke my laptop, because I'm dumb, I used to edit my vlogging channel, because I have a vlogging channel-ish. It's not really a vlogging channel, it's whatever I post on their channel, whenever I post on their channel. On my second channel, because technically this is my main channel, it was my first channel. So on my second channel, I would vlog, I would edit those videos. But then on my laptop, but I broke my laptop, the screen, so then I have to connect it to a TV or a monitor, whatever. And so then since then I'm like, I want to be in bed while I edit, but also looking at the TV. But like the keyboard's like, so I had to get a wireless one. Hence the second keyboard. I got that at a thrift store because I was like, I just want to try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It didn't work. So there's that. Then I got this one like months ago. I don't think it was a year ago. I can't tell if that's someone lawn mowing or if it's someone sawing, but yeah, so we have another keyboard. And I love how this one sounds. I see the person mowing their lawn. It's okay, I guess. I think my first one, I think my favorite one is the first one. I think, I'm not sure. was sitting. This one I'm standing. I don't know. But every single time I stand in a video, I think I just get like all hyper or something. Hyper. I don't know why, but this is all I want to do. And fast for some reason. Alright, I think we're done. Wait, let's do it's so small I can hold it like this. Let's do the It's gross, there's something sticky on the top button. Ew, that's disgusting. We're done. We're done. Thank you guys. Truly, absolutely. Thank you so very, very much from the bottom to the top of my heart. Do I mean this? Thank you so much for being here. These past 2 years have been absolutely amazing. They've been amazing. I feel like without you guys, because you guys are literally the sweetest people on this planet. I'm not like, I wish I was joking. I'm not joking. I don't even wish I was joking, actually. I kind of do. Because, like, why do I deserve all this kindness? But then again, you deserve this kindness, so why shouldn't I? What's going on? I'm scared. I'm being dead serious, though. I actually love you guys so very much. And you're literally the sweetest person, sweetest people I've never met. Because I've never met you guys, but, like, you guys leaving down a comment below, just being so kind and so loving, it literally melts me. It melts me, not even my heart, it just melts me. I'm like, it's going down. What was that noise? I'm just really happy, like, really happy that you guys exist. I'm so very thankful for each and every single one of you that are subscribed, that like my videos, that dislike the videos. I don't think I've ever seen that though, but that dislike the videos, that comment on my videos, that aren't subscribed, that watch my videos. Like, guys, I am thankful for every single one of you that has ever even seen my face, because that just means you're here. That means you're with me. And then I love you. I love you. I love you. Te amo con todo mi corazón. All of it. All of my heart and soul loves you. The kindest people on this planet. I don't understand how I got very lucky. And these past 2 years have been amazing. I know for a fact I wouldn't be this happy if it wasn't for you guys. I know that for a fact. I'd be probably depressed and crying every day. I'm just so very thankful. I love each and every single one of you, and I don't even know what to say, because like it's been 2 years. It's been 2 years and you guys are still here. Why? I don't know. I honestly don't know. But thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for existing on this planet. Thank you for being alive. Thank you for breathing. And thank you for being absolutely so beautiful and gorgeous and handsome. I guess if you like that word. I don't know why I feel weird saying handsome. I just feel like beautiful and gorgeous is much better. Like, let's say to a man or whatever, like, he's handsome. Nah, he's beautiful. I'm sorry, that got me. I'm like, I don't know. It's like every single one of you out there, no matter what in the McNugget you look like or whatever. Like, I don't even care if your favorite color is purple. I don't care. I love you. With all of my heart, con todo mi corazón. And it will be like that till the day I die, because this relationship. I choose to die first. You got that? Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, tell me down below that you did. If you didn't, once again, comment it down below. If you made it this far, comment down a taco. Why am I doing that? I just want you to comment down a taco. I want to see how many tacos will fill up the comment section. And it's the channel's birthday. So, honestly, say happy birthday or leave a taco, either one. But either way, me, I love you, and the channel loves you, especially the channel. Wouldn't be here without you. Te amo con todo mi corazón, and I hope to see you guys next Thursday. Wait, I hope you had or have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, and or night. Te amo con todo mi corazón, and I hope to see you guys next Thursday. Bye. You guys make me so happy.